In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Dropbox on Windows. So let's get started. For this, first thing is we'll be having here the arrow icon. Click it, and here we'll be having the Dropbox icon. Right click that, click on your profile and click on quit. Click on OK. That is done, and now that icon won't be here. So now go to search, open control panel and click on programs, click on programs and features, and here we are having Dropbox. Right click and select uninstall. Click on uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, click on close. It's done, and we can simply refresh it, and as you can see, we are not having Dropbox here. Just come to this PC, local disk C, and if I go to program files, I'm having this folder. We can delete this. Just come to this PC, local disk C, and users, your system username, and here we will be having the Dropbox folder. We can simply remove it. Yep, that is done. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.